What's up, everybody? Rapside here, going for a ride on a snowy day here in on the East Coast. Yeah, and also going to do a bike review of a bike I haven't shown you guys before. It's my Hardtail. So yeah, getting out with the dog. We're going to do a little ride. Figured I would show it and yeah, a ride in the snow a little bit. This bike is pretty well designed for riding in the snow. So thought I'd get out and do that today with the dog. So hope you guys enjoy. So we're off on the path. Yeah, this is like let's see, day 43 or 44. Started back in December, early part of December, and just started riding with the dog. And I've pretty much ridden every day. I've missed a couple days here and there, but I'm on day, I believe this is 44 out of probably 50, I would say. And perfect time to get out and ride with the dog. We got a storm coming through, and yeah, just get out, ride with the dog some in the snow, bring the hardtail out. It's actually rigid, but usually this big old front tire, it's like a 3.0 tire, usually does a pretty good job. So we'll take a quick look at the bike here shortly, do a bike check. So yeah, thought I'd do a quick check of the hardtail. I tend to ride my full suspension pretty much everywhere, but during the winter in these snow conditions, it's usually a good time to bring out the rigid bike. So this is a BlackSheep. It's kind of designed very similar to the repack days, the old Schwinn bikes that they founded the sport with. This is a bike manufacturer out of Colorado, and James, and he designed this for me. It's a about a probably 10-year-old bike now, but it's just classic. I love it. It's a steel frame. Let's see, 29er, and yeah, it's got let's see, it's obviously rigid. Got the Hugo in the front, so that's a 29 by 330 tire with the Chris King front hub. It's got some old mechanical disc brakes with a big old 180 in the front. Let's see, the drivetrain is watch out, bud. The drivetrain is a Eno, and one speed, single speed, and it's a 32 in the front and then a 17 rear. So yeah, and then Chris King in the back as well. And then I've got I'm running the Aggressor 29 by 2.30 in the back. So yeah, that's usually a pretty good tire. And then the Chronicle in the front. I didn't mention the Chronicle in the front, but what else? Thompson seat post with an old Flight saddle on there. I used to really like the Flights and would run the Flights all the time. And ESXi grips, because this is a rigid bike. I've got the P&W components stem on there with a Thompson bar. Chris King headset, because I just go with Chris King, where I used to a lot anyways. And then I've got, for the pedals, I've got some Time Special 8s on there, and then a Chris King titanium cage. So yeah, that's the rigid single speed. It's a lot of fun. Again, don't run it that much, but when I do, I really enjoy riding it. It's a very good quality bike. So that's the BlackSheep. Hope you guys enjoyed it. The downhills still feel kind of sketchy. feel like you could bail out at any time. But yeah, this bike makes quick work of the snow, for sure. With the steel, it makes the ride very supple, even though this is a rigid bike. Really well-made steel bikes are typically pretty supple to ride. Going around the little lake loop. Snow's still coming down. Yeah, but this rigid bike is really meant for these kind of conditions. Rides the snow really well. And the dog's doing really well. He likes getting out. Sketchy part, wooden bridge. I think it's pretty well covered, so. Yeah, that about does it for this little ride. Get out in the snow, see how the BlackSheep does. And yeah, it worked out pretty well. Dog enjoyed it. Right by. Got a little exercise in. Showed you guys the rigid. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Hit the like button if you like. Hit subscribe. Until next time, right on, my friends.